So on my left, I have the Dreo TurboPoly Table Fan 315, and on my right, I have the Levoit Mini Tower Fan. And if you look at them, what do you notice? They're not coming in the color black. They also come in these accent colors, and there's not a lot of hard, sharp edges. Everything is a little bit stylized. Everything looks more classy. I would say that this kind of looks like an Apple product. But the secret in the fan technology is not just in the design. It is that they are a lot quieter because they come with updated DC motors. And before we check out the Levoit Windi Mini, let's first check out the Dreo TurboPoly 315 table fan. The fan comes with two modes here. It comes with normal as well as auto. It also comes with the ability to turn off the sound. And you have a 8-hour timer. And if you turn the fan upward, it also is a better air circulator because you can adjust the vertical nature of this fan. So you can turn it down or you can turn it up and you can oscillate it so you have more customization. But honestly, it is because the fan comes with a remote. It is also going to be easy to clean and take apart here. So if you want to keep it for 4 years, 5 years down the line, as long as the motor is working because it's the updated DC motor, it's going to be easy to clean as well. So combine that with the fine accents, the good looks, as well as the quiet functionality of the Dreo here. Next, this is the Levoit Mini Tower Fan, and if you turn this on, you notice that you're going to have your little light bars here indicating the level of the fan. So nice thing about the Levoit here on the Windi is that the handle is very easy to use. Like on the band, this is nice. The menu is nice. I just wish they had a display. Right, and you're comparing it against the Dreo. It really comes down to personal preference as well as how much noise you're willing to accept. Because the Dreo is going to be the more powerful fan. You can also clean it easily because you can open it with a screwdriver right on the back. And it comes with that digital display. So that's going for the Dreo. The Levoit is a little bit cheaper. It's a mini tower, so overhead it takes less space. If you're comparing the Dreo 315 in white to the analog Dreos, the analog Dreos also come with 4 fan speeds, and they're also going to have very similar design. So ultimately, what's my verdict? Which is going to be the fan that's going to be perfect for you? Well, I think if you have a lot of space or you want to move a lot of air and use these fans primarily as an air circulator, the Dreo TurboPoly 315 will be better because it's more powerful. However, from a design perspective, the Levoit Windi Mini is very good looking. It fits a lot of different spaces, and especially if you're going to put it on top of a table or right next to you on a bedstand, it actually looks very clean, and the noise that it makes is pleasant enough that if you have it just around your head or just around your body when you're sleeping, you'll find that you don't mind how much white noise it brings into the room. But the era of the ugly fan is over, and I'm really happy that now finally we have fans that are going to fit inside of our space and not be expensive, be the same price as the ugly fan at the same time. So with that, thanks for watching, everybody. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment box below, and please hit that like and subscribe button. It really does help support our channel. I'll catch you next time. This is Dave with the French Glow signing off. Bye.